Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be replacing the parking lamp bulb on a BMW F30. I got this error message on the dashboard today for a parking lamp malfunction, and I'm going to show you all how to fix that. I'm going to be using the Hella H6W halogen light I purchased off Amazon. So yeah, let's pop the hood and get straight to it. Alright, so this is the light bulb that's out. I know you can probably barely see it, but it's right here. And we're going to pop the hood. We're going to turn this counterclockwise. So we're going to reach in here, and it's going to be this first light to the top right. You're going to also turn it counterclockwise. I'm just going to go ahead and pull it out. Just like that. Now that we got the bulb out of the socket, we're also going to turn it counterclockwise one more time. Put it to the side. Get the new bulb. Kind of line it up. There's going to be a part where you put it in. Turn it clockwise. Alright, now that we got the bulb in, let's carefully put it back in the socket. We'll be turning clockwise. You'll hear a little click. Let's put the cap back on clockwise. Alright, and you're good to go.